The same 86 number? 86.
Yes.
That means the girl never changed it then. I remember. You didn't want them game?
So the full results for the 100 meters for women. Of course, the winner, Briana Williams, 10.98. Shakoria Wallace, MVP, 11.09. And Tamara Williams, lead, 11.14. So, medal presentation now, receiving her check for elite performance, Shamara Williams. And the award being presented by Mr. Denzel Wilkes of the Sports Development Foundation. Receiving her prize, Shakoria Wallace of MVP. 11.08, the time we saw there. And the winner, Briana Williams of Nike. 10.97, the time we saw for her. Give them a big hand, ladies and gentlemen, here at the Ashland Stadium on the grounds of Jamaica College. Thanks, Mr. Wilkes, for doing the award presentation.